Hello again. It's actually a new day. I couldn't finish my filming the last time. I had to get into mom mode, but now the light is better, and which will make it way easier for me to paint on the journal because I want to have a little bit of a painting spread. I'm gonna paint some mushrooms. I thought it could be fun to incorporate this lift the flap concept, much like those beautiful children's books, offering kind of this glimpse of what's hidden behind the page. I got some examples here, like you see, like I like that you can already see something behind, and there's always something like a glimpse of what's happening in the page before. Kind of, I like that. So maybe I can do something similar. Also, like with these, that you can flip flap and see what's happening behind, and so on. So maybe I can do something like this for this journal spread. So this spread is going to be inspired by a hike that I had late November with my family. It was a rainy day. The forest was very lush and covering in moss everywhere. It was so beautiful. There were mushrooms literally everywhere I went. Like every step there were something new to see. It was very overwhelming from all the varieties of mushrooms I saw. And I don't know, I think the first time I saw so many mushrooms in one hike, so it made it very hard for me to move on. I was always kind of, looking below and trying to find, taking pictures, filming, admiring the mushrooms. So it was very hard for my husband and the kids to move on. So I want to have that memory on these pages. So we're going to have a little bit of nature journaling. I mean, I'm not right now there at the moment. That would be very ideal to sit with my journal and paint the mushrooms right there in the forest. But sometimes it's tricky for me to do that. I know there is a lot of debate about what's nature journaling. Some people just journal from pictures. Some people just film and take pictures in the field and then go back home and paint and do their notes. And sometimes you just do everything there, which is amazing, but sometimes that's not possible. And so this is my nature journal. I'm going to make it a little bit interactive. I'm going to use I think I'm not going to use watercolor, but this page seemed to be a little bit strong, so that's why I chose these pages here. And let's see how it's going to turn out. So I'm going to leave you with some cozy music. I'm going to start doing some sketching, and I hope you enjoy the process. And I think this video is gonna be uploaded probably 2 days before Christmas. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, and if I don't make another video, a Happy New Year as well. So see you next time. Bye bye.